Okay, what to do if your sequence doesn't record right, or if it's really noisy? The solution is pretty simple. Usually, if you have a good video card, you click here. This will do just fine. Just make the quality 100. But if it doesn't, if the movie comes up being all noisy because your video card uses a different driver or something like that, the only solution is using the movie render queue. So we have to open that. So your project, you should save it before you do this. So um, say save all, and then you go to project plugins, and you look for the movie render queue right there. So if it's not turned on, you'll need to check it on, and it will tell you need to restart your project. That's fine. You just say restart now. Okay, so once it's back, you can close the plugins. And this time, when you open your sequence, and by the way, if you've lost your sequence, you don't know where you put it, you can find it up here on the level sequence, the same place you created it, and it should be listed right here. So it will open, and you can select the camera cuts if you already selected your camera cuts and you have it cut to what you want it to be. So this time, when you click the render button, instead of getting the regular window, you'll get this window. So this window will show you unsaved configurations, and this is the one that you need to use. So if you click on it, it's under settings. If you click on it, you want to add a new setting, which is your anti-aliasing. So the anti-aliasing gets rid of pixelation, basically. You could change your JPEG sequence to be a MP4 if you wanted to. I'm just gonna let it be like this. But what you need to do in here is override anti-aliasing, and select temporal anti-aliasing. Now I ask you to do at least 8 samples. I figure with 2 or 3, you can try it. Depends on how fast your computer goes. That's what you want, at least 6, 8. You can test it. I find that just upping it 2, it will do just fine. You won't see any noise. So all you have to do now is click accept. And when you click render, you obviously don't have a remote renderer, so you're gonna do it local. So when you click render, you'll see a preview of your render, and you can see right away if it's gonna look good or not. So it's fairly simple. You will have an image sequence that you have to put together. I'll show you how to put that together in another video, which is the same way you're gonna put your final movie together. So there's my render. There's no noise on it, as you can see. So just that upping it to 2, the anti-alias is enough to get rid of most of the noise and those weird particles you see on your video. Okay.